In this video, I'm going to provide you with 7 completely free airdrop opportunities that have real potential and where there is still time to actually qualify. I made a similar video a few months ago, but the crypto space moves quickly, and the free airdrops that made sense to farm a few months ago aren't necessarily the same ones you would want to start if you were beginning from scratch today. So, each of these opportunities I'm about to show you is either new or has recently launched, meaning you can still get in on the ground floor. This is frequently one of the most requested topics in the comments below my YouTube videos, so let's hop right in. Starting with number 1, which is Inisha. This is a test net with a reasonable amount of funding, $7.5 million, indicating it could be a serious target for airdrop hunters. They just launched their new testnet, which is supposed to be incentivized, so you can sign up, interact with it, earn points, and potentially qualify for an airdrop afterwards. The process to get started is not too complicated, and they've outlined it step by step with this little helpful guide right here. Before you can get started, you're going to need to have one of these wallets, or you can log in via a social account. I'm just going to log in with my MetaMask and sign a transaction here. Once you have done that, complete the 6 tasks outlined here. Get some tokens from the faucet, buy a domain name, make a swap, stake some tokens, stake some LP, and claim your rewards. By the way, in order to get the tokens from the faucet, you will need to first join the Inisha Discord and then link that here. Once you've completed all of these 6 tasks, you will get to mint 1 NFT per task and then combine them into one master NFT. This is what that looks like. You get this little pet or character thing. One of the new metas in crypto is these little pets or characters. Once you get to this step, you will have earned some experience points from completing all of those tasks, and you can claim additional experience points here every 8 hours. This is something you can return to periodically to continue collecting points. Beyond that, you need to feed your little pet to rank it up, and you need to buy food for the pet with the experience points you earn. There's a little button here that says, Buy food, and once you have enough experience points, you can try to get some. This is relatively time consuming, and you will need to come back at least daily, if not multiple times per day, to keep ranking up for this airdrop. They have a leaderboard where you can track your position for the airdrop, and there are other ways to earn experience points, sharing a referral code, linking your Twitter or Discord, and interacting with different applications linked to Inisha. For example, Blackwing, a new modular liquidity trading app, allows you to deposit assets and earn more experience points. The same applies to the other partners. You can continue interacting with the Inisha testnet by doing swaps, staking tokens, and collecting rewards. Inisha is time-consuming but potentially one of the more high-value testnet airdrops you can currently farm, and since they just launched a couple of days ago, there is still time. If you want to sign up using this referral code, I'll post it down below, and you'll get a 50-point boost. Moving to free airdrop opportunity number 2, which is Morph L2. This is a new Ethereum L2 that just launched its test net a few days ago. They have raised $20 million in funding, which is solid. There are many Ethereum L2s now, potentially too many, but this one is brand new. Unlike Tau or Bearchain, where millions of wallets interact, this one is relatively underfarmed. If you have time to interact with these testnets, especially with limited or zero capital, this could be worth spending a few minutes a day clicking buttons. To qualify for the Morph L2 airdrop, visit their website, click Let's Go, and follow their airdrop campaign. At each stage, there are different apps to interact with to earn points. The top of the page has faucets where you can get testnet tokens to interact with the network. The faucet I prefer is the third one on the list. Paste your Ethereum wallet address and mine some testnet tokens. It shouldn't take long, and once you've mined a few tokens, stop, and they will be sent to your wallet. Then you can interact with the apps. The first step is to go to the bridge and bridge some of those testnet tokens to the new Morph testnet. After that, go back and interact with the applications. They also have a daily check-in that requires signing an on-chain transaction. Similar to Initia, this one requires a reasonable amount of time. You need to come back daily to get points. The more you interact with the applications and follow their quest line, the more points you earn for the airdrop. Since they just launched, you have a chance to get in early. The next test net opportunity is the Particle Network. They have a point system, and you can convert points into the party token. They've raised just under $9 million, and the Particle Network is interesting because they have an inscriptions mint and a launchpad for new projects, offering a chance to get cheap allocations. This testnet is potentially a high-value target if you have the time and energy. After creating a Particle Network wallet, get testnet tokens to make a deposit. Click the deposit button and find how to get testnet tokens from one of the faucet options. Bridge them over to the new Particle testnet. Once done, you can complete daily check-in tasks to earn points. The longer you maintain a streak, the more points you get. You can earn additional points by transacting on the network, up to 100 transactions per day. If you have the patience to click buttons 100 times per day, you can rack up points. You can also refer others. You can mint bonus NFTs upon reaching certain points thresholds, like 50,000 or 100,000 points. Of the three I mentioned, I would rank them as Initia, Particle Network, and then Morph L2. The fourth new test net to farm is SkateChain. I rank this one below the others. They have raised less than $4 million, but it's a multi-chain test net compatible with Ethereum, Solana, and Cosmos. To qualify, visit their SkateChain testnet site, connect a wallet, do some social stuff, and mint your free NFT to earn allies points. There's a leaderboard and a faucet for testnet tokens in ETH, available every 24 hours. More tasks are coming soon, but these are the current ones. Next is Lingo, a social fi airdrop campaign. Interact with their posts on Twitter, comment, and share to earn points for the Lingo airdrop. Social fi airdrop campaigns can be hit or miss. Some like Portal and Gaming have been lucrative, while others like the Block airdrop have been disappointing. Lingo's website is sleek, and the company has been around for a while. Lingo tokens are like rewards points exchangeable for real-life rewards, and they are tradable ERC20 tokens. Connect your Discord and Twitter, then track your airdrop progress on DJ Island. Do tasks to earn air miles and spin the wheel for cards. Be careful not to spam Lingo's ticker on every comment or tag them excessively, as it could lead to being flagged as a bot. Organically engage with their content. You can refer others for a better allocation. The sixth free airdrop opportunity is Alluvia, a crypto gaming airdrop currently in testnet. It's an open-world crypto Pokémon game. The game is in closed beta, but some people from my Discord got early access. The team told me you can still sign up for the beta and potentially get into future rounds. They incentivize interaction in the test net with ILV tokens, even though the ILV token already exists. Register for the beta and, once you have access, get testnet tokens, download the game from Epic Games, and play to rank up the in-game leaderboard. This one is time-intensive, requiring dedication to climb the leaderboard and earn ILV rewards. Signing up for the beta waitlist is low effort, but playing the game demands significant time. Finally, there's the Turtle Club. It's a phantom liquidity protocol. You can earn points for providing liquidity to different apps or holding liquid restake tokens. Visit the website, sign up, and earn points for activities you may already be doing. They've partnered with various liquid staking tokens and Web3 apps. For example, if you're farming the Kelp airdrop with KelpD Liquid Restake ETH, you earn points for it. The same goes for other partners. If you're using any of these DeFi apps or holding these tokens, sign up and start earning points for potential value. These are the updated free crypto airdrops that are still worth farming right now, new and just launched, giving you a chance to get in early. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.